Click on the link below to get price. The GoPro HERO13 Black is an advanced action camera designed to capture high-quality visuals in a variety of environments. This model builds on the brand's reputation for durability and performance, making it an appealing option for both adventure enthusiasts and casual users alike. At first glance, the GoPro HERO13 Black has a compact and rugged design, characteristic of previous models. Its waterproof capability allows it to be submerged in water up to a certain depth without the need for additional housing, making it suitable for activities like snorkeling or surfing. The camera's build quality is robust, ensuring resilience against impacts, which is particularly beneficial for those who engage in high-octane sports or outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the HERO13 Black is its impressive video recording capability. It can capture footage in 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second, providing crystal-clear images with an exceptional level of detail. This high-resolution video is complemented by a range of frame rates and resolutions, allowing users to adjust settings according to their filming needs. In addition to video, the camera boasts a 27-megapixel still photo capability, enabling users to take high-quality images without needing a separate camera. The camera also offers various shooting modes, including time-lapse, slow-motion, and HDR, making it versatile for capturing different scenarios. The intuitive touchscreen interface is user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation through menu settings. Furthermore, the HERO13 Black includes voice control features, enabling hands-free operation, a valuable asset when users are engaged in activities where manual operation may not be feasible. Battery life is another consideration for action camera users, and the HERO13 Black aims to meet expectations with its efficient power management. While actual battery performance will vary based on usage and settings, it is designed to provide sufficient recording time for extended adventures. In conclusion, the GoPro HERO13 Black presents a well-rounded package for those interested in capturing their experiences in high quality. With its combination of superior video resolution, robust design, and versatile shooting options, it stands out as a noteworthy choice in the action camera market. Whether one is documenting a thrilling outdoor excursion or simply recording everyday moments, this camera offers tools that cater to a wide range of photography and videography needs.